Okay, we have lot number G202 in our August 3rd, 2022 auction. That's a lot of twos. This is All City Auctioneers, and we're located in Langley, British Columbia, and the auction site is bcsurplus.com. This is a government surplus vehicle. We think it's a 2004. Registration documents aren't here yet. They will be for the auction, but we don't have them right now while I'm writing it up, so you'll have to read the description to ensure I got the year right. But going by the decal on the door, it was manufactured 04 of 04, so it should be a 2004. And it's a Ford E250 cargo van. Just do a little walk around here. It's got the Triton 5.4 liter V8, automatic transmission, some various surface rust, exterior dents, marks and scratches. I'll just kind of do the walk around here. Here's where it looks like the majority of the dents are, right back here in this corner. And of course some rust spots down here in the corner again. Tires appear to be in reasonable condition. A little bit of bubbling right in there, you see. I'll open the passenger door here for you. Some tears in the seats. Both seats have visible wear. Cargo rack, and looks like a storage box in the back. I'm going to try and do this here. The door, the sliding door, seems to be stuck. Gets to there and stops. Not sure. I haven't crawled inside to see, but I don't think there's a latch on it inside. You can see there. And personally, I don't want to put my fingers in there and try and pull it out, because actually I already tried that and pinched my fingers. So not very smart. So I'm just going to tell you I didn't do that. Anyways, starts and runs. Of course, these things all get towed to our facility, but we do drive them around the lot here. Seems to run and drive as required. I'll open the back now. Security screening on both the glass here and the back doors, as you can see. Some what is it, diamond mesh, I think they call that. Looks like a little storage box inside. Okay, you're making me crawl inside now. Oh, carpeted, nice. I didn't wow, it's an aluminum box. It's diamond plate aluminum box, and it's carpeted. Locking. Maybe that's what the extra key is that we have on the key ring. So let me look here again. Oh, look at that. Door opens all the way. So not sure what happens there, but I'm gonna crawl out that way. Look at that, eh? See, you try it from the inside and it works. Didn't do that when I took the pictures. Anyways, I'm just going to go around now and fire it up now that I got all the doors open. Eight bolt wheels. Is let me see here. See, like I said, there's an extra key here. I'll have to see. I have no idea. Start her up. Now I gotta, oops, don't have my glasses. I don't know if I can read that mileage, so. I think it's 443,388 kilometers. Starts right up. All the warning lights on the dash go off. Gauges appear to work. Half tank of gas, that's worth like $1,000 nowadays, I tell ya. If they keep going, you know, it's gonna be worth more than the friggin' van itself. So pretty basic. Dash and all that doesn't seem to be that bad. Now I'll go outside and go let you listen to the motor. So here's where I'll shut up. Hard to get an auctioneer to shut up, but here I am. And then the driver's side. And there you go. Like I said, we take lots of pictures for the website. There's probably 50 to 65 pictures for every one of the vehicles here. This vehicle is selling on August the 3rd. Highest bidder wins, and that is on the auction site bcsurplus.com. There's everything here from dump trucks to packer rollers, forklifts, motorcycles, and of course estate items, collectibles, you name it, tools, machinery. It's a good general sale, probably 600 plus auction lots. So August the 3rd, 2022, highest bidder wins. This is a government surplus Ford E250 cargo van. Hope you get another buy-by auction, guys. Girls, gals, people. I don't know. I keep saying guys. Gotta say people.